వెల్కమ్ టు మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ గంజి అమరేందర్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం యాన్యువల్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ని దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకొని ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్లోని ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్కి సొల్యూషన్ చెప్పుకుందాం. ముందుగా ప్రూవ్ దట్ √3 + √5 ఈజ్ ఇరేషనల్. ఓకే, ఏమని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి? √3 + √5 అనేది కరణీయ సంఖ్య అని నిరూపించాలి. దానికోసము దీన్ని ఏమనుకోవాలి? ముందుగా దీన్ని అకర్ణీయ సంఖ్య అనుకోవాలి. అంటే లెట్ us assume that √3 + √5 ఈజ్ రేషనల్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, let us assume that √3 + √5 is rational. Okay, so every rational number is in the form of p/q. So √3 + √5 is rational means √3 + √5 is can be written as a/b. Okay, where a comma b are integers belongs to z, b is not equal to 0 and a comma b are co-primes. Okay, co-primes means HCF of a comma b is 1. Highest common factor of a and b is 1 only. Now √3 + √5 is equal to a/b. √3 is equal a/b minus √5. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, SOBS. √3 left hand side is √3 square a/b minus √5 whole square. Expand this by using a minus b whole square formula. √3 square means 3 only. A minus b whole square is a/b whole square. A square minus 2ab. 2 into a means a/b. b means √5 plus b square √5 square. Okay, 3 is equal a/b whole square means a square by b square minus 2 √5 into a by b plus √5 square means square root cancel. This is 5. Now write this value on left side. This is minus, it becomes to plus. 3 plus 2 into √5 a by b is equal to remaining, what are remaining terms? A square by b square and plus 5. Okay, now write plus 3 value on RHS. It becomes minus 2 √5 into a by b is equal a square by b square plus 5. This value is minus 3. Okay, 2 into √5 into a by b is equal to LHS value, RHS value a square by b square. 5 minus 3 means 2. So a square plus b square, 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 1. Now LCM of b square and 1 is b square only. LHS value, right, as it is 2 into √5 a by b is equal to LCM of b square and 1 is b square. b square is LCM a square plus 2b square on numerator. Okay, now cross multiplication. Take the cross multiplication. Here I am taking only √5 on left hand side, remaining all move to RHS side. Okay, now this b multiply the numerator value, b into a square plus 2b square 2ab square. Okay, here b is cancelled. What is remaining? Root 5 is equal to a square plus 2b square by 2ab. Okay, here a comma b are belongs to z, means integers, and a square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational number. Okay, now here a comma b belongs to z implies a square plus 2b square by 2ab is a rational number. Is a rational number. Okay, I'm taking this as 1, equation 1. RHS of equation 1 is rational. RHS of equation 1 is rational implies root 5 is also rational. Okay, RHS of 1, equation 1 is rational implies from this root 5 is rational, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. Here 5 is a prime number, root 5 means root 5 is irrational. So here RHS of equation 1 is rational means root 5 is equal to a square plus 2b square by 2ab. This is rational means this is also rational. So that's here root 5 is rational, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradiction has arisen. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. Hence root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, one number is not a rational number means it is a irrational. So root 3 plus root 5 is rational is false. So root 3 plus root 5 is rational is incorrect, means root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational. Okay, second problem. If x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 into log x plus y is equal to 3 into log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, here if x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, solution, right, given x square plus y square is equal to 25 into x5. We have to prove that 2 into log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, here what is the RHS value? Here 3 log 3 means log 3 cube, n log x means log x power n, log x plus log y means log x plus log y means log xy. So 3 log 3 means log 3 cube means log 27. Log 27 log x plus log y is log xy. Log 27 plus log xy is log 27 xy. Here LHS value 2 into log x plus y, 2 into log x plus y is equal log x plus y whole square, and log x formula. Okay, now here x square plus y square is equal to 25xy is given. Now adding 2xy on both sides, add 2xy on both sides, add 2xy on both sides. Okay, now x square plus y square is plus 2xy is equal to 25xy plus 2xy. This value, LHS value becomes to a square plus b square plus 2ab, means a plus b whole square. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to y, means x plus y whole square. 25xy plus 2xy is 27xy. Now we have to prove 2 into log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So I am taking log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Okay, log of x plus y whole square is equal to log 27xy. Okay, log x plus y whole square can be written as 2 into log of x plus y. Here this value log a b c means log a plus log b plus log c. Log 27, this is equal to log 27 plus log x plus log y. Since log x power n is equal to n into log x, log a b c is equal to log a plus log b plus log c. Okay, now LHS value as it is I am taking 2 into log x plus y is equal to log 27 is equal 27 is the cube of 3, this log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. Log 3 cube log x power n means n into log x, so 3 into log 3, this is equal to 3 into log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, therefore 2 into log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y, hence proved. Okay, third problem, if log of x plus y by 3 is equal half into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Okay, given value is solution, given log of x plus y by 3 is equal to half of log x plus log y. Then we have to find the value of x by y plus y by x. Now simplify this. Here LHS I am taking as it is log of x plus y by 3 1 by 2 log x plus log y is equal to log xy. Okay, log a plus log b is equal to log ab. Now again I am writing same as it is, x log of x plus y by 3 is equal to n into log x means log x power n. So 1 by 2 into log of xy, log of xy means this can be log xy power 1 by 2 and log x is equal to log x power n. So log of x plus y by 3 is equal to log of 1 by 2 means xy. Okay, now log of square root of xy. Now removing log on both sides, removing log on both sides, we get x plus y by 3 is equal to square root of xy. Now what is the value we have to find? X by y plus y by x. Here RHS value is square root of xy, squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. SOBS means squaring on both sides. X plus y by 3 whole square, xy whole square. Square and square root is get cancelled. X plus y whole square by 3 square means 9. This is equal to xy. Okay, now take the cross multiplication. X plus y whole square is equal 9 to xy. 9xy. Expand this. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9xy. X square plus y square, okay na, minus 2xy. Here x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy means 7xy. Find the value of x by y plus y by x means x square plus y square by xy also. Okay na. Now dividing the both sides by xy. X square by xy plus y square by xy is equal to 7xy by xy. Dividing by xy on both sides. Okay, xy, y, 1y, 1x cancel. What is remaining? X by y plus y by x is equal to here 7. This value is equal, therefore x by y plus y by x value is 7. Find x by y plus y by x is 7 only. Okay, fourth problem. If 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y is equal 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Is also important model problem. Okay, here what is given? 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y is equal 1000. Then we have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Solution: given 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal 1000. This is given. A is equal B is equal C means A is equal C, B is equal to C. By transitive property we can write 2.3 power x is equal to 1000 and 0.23 power y is equal 1000. Okay, this is 2.3 power x 1000 is equal 10 cube. I am taking 10 cube and 0.23 power y is equal 10 cube. Okay now, 10 cube means 1000 only. Okay, from this 2.3 is equal 10 to the power of 3 by x and 0.23 power y is equal from 0.23 is equal 10 to the power of 3 by y. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Here first given, what is given right here, given 2.3 power x is equal 0.23 power y is equal 1000. By transitive property we can write 2.3 power x is equal to 1000 and 0.23 power y is equal 1000. 1000 is equal to 10 cube. 2.3 power x is equal to 10 cube and 0.23 power y is equal to 10 cube. From this 2.3 is equal 10 to the power of 3 by x and 0.23 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. Now I am taking second equation implies 0.23 10 to the power of 3 by y. Okay, multiply this equation by 10. 0.23 into 10 into 10 to the power of 3 by y. Multiply this equation by 10 on both sides. Multiply them. Okay, now 0.23 into 10 means this is 2.3 is equal, this is 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of 3 by y. A power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 by y. Okay, now since a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, now this is 3, equation 3. Now equation 1 and equation 3, from equation 1 and 3 we can write 10 to the power of 3 by x is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 by y. Here equation LHS of equation is 1 is 2.3, LHS of equation 3 also 2.3. 2.3 is equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x means 2.3 is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 by y means a is equal to b and a is equal to c means b is equal to c by transitive property. So from equation 1 and 3 we can write 10 to the power of 3 by x is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 by y, since by transitive property. 10 to the power of 3 by x plus 10 to the power of, therefore 10 to the power of 3 by x is equal to 10 to the power of 1 plus 3 by y. Here two terms are equal and base are equal. Therefore from this we can write 3 by x is equal to 1 plus 3 by y. Okay, now terms equal, base equal. So 3 by x is equal 1 plus 3 by y. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. From this 3 by x, take this value to LHS side. LHS 3 by y value becomes minus 3 by y. 3 by x minus 3 by y plus 3 by y value becomes to minus is equal 1. Okay, 3 by x minus 3 by y. 3 taken as common, 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. Okay, 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, fifth problem, if 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Okay, solution given 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then we have to find the value of x. Okay, now take the log on both sides. Take the log on both sides. Log of 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log of 3 power 1 minus x. Log x power n is equal to n into log x. Here this can be written as x plus 1 into log 2. LHS value and RHS value 1 minus x into log 3. Okay, x into log 2 multiply the bracket terms to log 2 plus 1 into log 2 is log 2, 1 into log 3 minus x into log 3 x log 3. Here x log 2, this is x log 2 plus log 2, log 3 minus x log 3. Write the x terms together. Here minus x log 3 transfer to LHS side becomes to plus x log 2 minus x log 3 is plus x log 3. This log transpose to RHS, it becomes to minus log 3, log 2 value is minus log 2. Okay, here x log 2 plus x log 3, x can be taken as common, x log 2 plus x into log 2 plus log 3 log 3 minus log 2, log x minus log y means log x by y means log 3 by 2. Okay, this is x into log x, log 2 plus log 3 is log 2 into 3 is equal log of 3 by 2. Now we have to find the value of x only. So x into log of 2 into 3 means log 6 is equal log of 3 by 2. Therefore x is equal log of 3 by 2 by transpose log 6 value. Log 6 here multiplying x. So here divide the RHS value. Log 6. Okay, therefore the value of x is log of 3 by 2 by log 6. Okay, thank you.